Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Python video. We've been using functions in programs. The functions we've been using have been the ones built into Python or the Python libraries. What we want to do now is see how to create our own functions, user-defined functions. Why do we want to do functions? Well, there are a bunch of reasons, but the two main reasons are as programs get large, we break our program into smaller and smaller parts, and it's very easy or much easier to get a small piece of programming code working correctly than try to get a very large piece of programming code to run correctly. The other reason for user-defined functions is it allows us to reuse code, whether it's in the same program or build functions that we can use over and over again, just like the libraries of functions that are available that others have written or are part of Python. Based on what we do in our job, we might find that we're doing the same thing over and over again. Why reinvent it each time? Get it working once, create a function, that way we can use it whenever we need to. Well, how do we create functions? We start by using the def command, and that says we're going to define a function. We then give the function name. I'm going to call this function hi, and then I'm going to use curly brackets. We'll see later how inside the curly brackets we can have parameters so that when we call the function we can pass arguments to it. For now, for this first one, we're not going to pass any arguments. We then use a colon, and then we indent, just like in loops and if statements, we indent our code to indicate it's part of the function. The hi function is just going to print hi. And then we'll return. And we're not going to return any values in this function. We're just going to tell it to return or exit the function. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.